Hello everyone, today I'll show you how to install Grav CMS on your Ubuntu 24.4 server. By the end of this video it will be up and running.
MivoCloud. Power your digital future.
Looking for a great hosting solution? Check our website for prices. First, what you need to do is to update the server packages. You can do this by the following command.
After updating the system, install the required PHP dependencies using the following command. By the way, you can use the promo code shown on the screen and in the description to get a 20% discount for free mouse on all virtual services on our website. Next, let's configure PHP. Use an editor to open PHP-ini file and make the following changes. Then restart the PHP service. Now navigate to the folder, download the latest version of Grav CMS, extract it and rename it to match your domain or website name. Grant the necessary permission for Grav CMS using the following command. Now open the configuration file and paste the following code. Don't forget to replace server name with your domain name or server IP address. After that, enable the configuration and restart the web server. Open your web browser and go to your domain name or server IP address. Create an admin account and you're ready to start working with Grav CMS. That's it for the installation. If you found this helpful, please hit the like button so more people can find this guide. All the comments I used are in the pinned comment below. If you run into any errors or have a suggestion for the next tutorial, drop a comment and I'll get back to you. Thanks for watching MivoCloud.